Good morning, students. Today I will solve question number 2 of brain teaser. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle A equal to 65 degree and angle B equal to 75 degree and BC equal to 4 centimeter. First of all, find third angle C. How can find the third angle C? 180 degree minus sum of the angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree minus common bracket angle A equal to 65 degree and angle B equal to 75 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree equal to 40 degree. Now draw a line and cut it a line segment BC equal to 4 centimeter. Draw the angle CBA equal to 75 degree with the help of compass and ruler, and draw the angle BCA equal to 40 degree with the help of protractor. And now they intersect at a point A. Join AB and AC. ABC is the required triangle in which BC equal to 4 centimeter, angle B equal to 75 degree and angle C equal to 40 degree. Now question number 3. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle C equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to 45 degree and BC equal to 5 centimeter. Here you have not given the angle B. So first of all find the third angle B. Third angle B equal to 180 degree minus sum of the two given angles, that is angle A plus angle C. Now 180 degree minus common bracket angle A equal to 45 degree and angle C equal to 90 degree. So 180 degree minus 45 degree plus 90 degree equal to 135 degree equal to 45 degree. First of all draw a line, then draw a line segment BC equal to 4 centimeter. And now draw the angle CBA equal to 45 degree with the help of compass and ruler, and draw angle BCA 90 degree with the help of compass and ruler. They intersect at a point A. Therefore, ABC is the required triangle, required right angle triangle. Now question, construct a triangle ABC with question number 6. ABC with AB equal to AB equal to 4 centimeter, AC equal to 5.2 centimeter, 5.2 centimeter, and angle A equal to 135 degree also bisect angle A and angle B. Question 4. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to 4 centimeter, AC equal to 5.4 centimeter and angle A equal to 135 degree also bisect angle A and B. Angle A and B. So first of all draw a line, then draw the line segment AB equal to 4 centimeter. Angle A equal to, given that 135 degree. So with the help of ruler and compass, construct the angle BAC equal to 135 degree. Now AC with A as a center and AC equal to 5.2 centimeter as a radius. They intersect at C. Join BC. Now, construct also bisect angle A and angle B. So, bisect the angle BAC. यानी AI bisect the angle A and BI bisect the angle B. I is the in center of the triangle ABC. Next question. Question number 5. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to 6 cm, BC equal to 4.5 cm and AC equal to 5.9 cm. Also construct perpendicular bisector of sides AC and AB. So you have given that three sides of a triangle SSS congruence SSS triangle constructions. So first of all, draw a line segment AB equal to 6 cm with A as a center and AC equal to 5.9 cm. Draw an arc with B as a center and BC equal to 4.5 cm as a arc. They intersect the previous arc at C. Join CA and CB. ABC is the required triangle. Now construct perpendicular bisector of side AC and AB. With A as a center, draw an arc above the AC and below the AC. With C as a center, draw an arc which intersects the previous arc at a point. Then join the line segments. M is the perpendicular bisector of AC. Line M is the perpendicular bisector of AC. With A as a center and draw a radius, draw an arc which is more than the half of the line segment AB, above of AB and below of AB. With B as a center, draw an arc. They intersect the previous arc. Join these two intersecting points. L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Line L is the bisector of line segment AB and line M is the bisector of line segment AC. These two perpendicular bisectors intersect each other at O. O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. If you draw a circle with O as a center and OA as a radius, this circle passes through vertex C and B. So O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. You have learned in the next exercise circumcenter, incenter, orthocenter, centroid. So here O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. यानी OA equal to OC equal to OB. Now next question 7. Construct a right angle triangle in which sides containing the right angles are 3 cm and 4 cm. Measure the hypotenuse. You have given that the two sides and one angle is 90 degree right angle triangle. So draw a line and cut it, a line segment BC equal to 4 cm and construct the angle CBA equal to 90 degree, and with B as a center and BA equal to 3 centimeter as a radius, join A and C. ABC is the required right angle triangle. If you measure AC, if you construct correctly, then hypotenuse AC equal to 5 centimeter. If your hypotenuse AC equal to 5 centimeter, then your construction is 100% correct. Otherwise, some mistakes. Now question number 8. Construct a right angle triangle ABC such that BC equal to 4 centimeter and hypotenuse makes an angle of 30 degree at B. Verify AB equal to 2AC. So first method, draw a line segment BC equal to 4 centimeter. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of BC with B as a center and radius is more than the half of BC. Draw above and below a arc with C as a center. Draw another arc. They intersect the previous arc at 2 points and join these 2 points. You will get a point on BC. Yani O is the center of O is the midpoint of BC. Join. Then with O as a center and OB as a radius, draw a circle. Draw a semicircle BAC. Draw a semicircle BAC. Draw angle CBA equal to 30 degree with the help of compass and ruler. Join AB, join BA, join AC. ABC is the required right angle triangle. Because angle in the semicircle is 90 degree, so angle BAC is automatically 90 degree. Now measure side AB and AC. AB equal to 3.8 centimeter and AC equal to 1.8 centimeter, and 2AC equal to 2 multiply 1.8 centimeter, that is 3.6 centimeter, which is approximately 3.5 centimeter. Now another method. First of all, draw a line BA and draw the angle ABC equal to 30 degree. Angle ABC equal to 30 degree. With B as a center and BC equal to 4 centimeter. Draw it. BC equal to 4 centimeter. With C as a center, draw the perpendicular on BA. In this way, BAC is the right angle triangle in which angle B equal to 30 degree and hypotenuse BC equal to 4 centimeter. Now measure AC and AB. You will get AB equal to 2AC. Now hot questions. On a line segment AB equal to 4 centimeter, construct a square. First of all, join a line, draw a line and angle BAD equal to 90 degree with the help of compass and ruler. With A as a center and AB equal to 4 centimeter. with A as a center, draw an arc AD equal to 4 centimeter. Join with D as a center and DC equal to 4 centimeter. Draw an arc with B as a center and BC equal to 4 centimeter. Draw an arc. They intersect each other at a point C. Join CB, CD, DA, AB. ABCD is the required triangle. ABCD is the required square. Question number 2. 3 non-collinear points PQR are given. Complete the parallelogram PQRS. You know that when the 3 points PQR are not laying on the same line, when PQR are not laying on a straight line, then the points PQR are called the non-collinear points. Here PQR are non-collinear points. Join PQ, QR, PR. PQR is the required triangle. Now you know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. So with P as a center and PS equal to QR, PS equal to QR, draw an arc. With R as a center and RS equal to QP, RS equal to PQ, draw an arc. They intersect at a point S. Join point SR, SP, PQ, RS is the required parallelogram. Question number 3. ABC is a triangle, obtuse angle at C. How will you construct a perpendicular from B to AC? B to AC, construct and show. Now, first of all, join a triangle ACB with angle ACB is obtuse angle. You know that obtuse angle is the angle which measurement is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle. So first of all, draw a triangle ACB with angle C more than 90 degree. So ABC is the required obtuse angle triangle. Now with the vertex B, draw an arc PQ on AC produced. With P as a center, draw an arc. With Q as a center, draw the same arc. They intersect at a point L. Now join BL. BL is the perpendicular bisector of AC, AQ. Therefore, construct a perpendicular from B to AC. Construct and show. So ABC is the required triangle and BL is the perpendicular from the vertex B on AQ. Thank you. Have a nice day.